Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your TCL 605. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using these side buttons on the right side of your phone. So let me show you. Whenever you're trying to change the volume, you cannot change the call volume here. You will only change the media, ring, notification, and alarm. So when you're in a call, make sure to check those side buttons because media and call are not exactly the same, even though some say that you guys can change them 50-50. So for example, once you guys can change the media and once change the call instead of the media. And for iPhones, it works when you're in a call. It works like that. It just increases the media and the call volume. So that's why people say it's 50-50. But still, you need to check your volume using those side buttons. And after that, make sure that there's no Bluetooth device connected to your phone because we have to rule them out. So go over to settings, and in those settings, check if the Bluetooth is disabled. If it is enabled, then we might have a problem because we might be connected to some devices, for example, another phone right here. And that's basically bad for us. We don't want that. And now, after disabling the Bluetooth and making sure that there's no device connected to our phone, we can easily clean the earpiece right up here using a soft cloth or a soft brush. Doesn't matter, just make sure that there's nothing in the way of your ear and the earpiece, like no dust, no lint, debris, anything. Make sure it's clean, and then you guys can give it a test, like get another call or use another app to see if maybe the problem is specifically for an app and not for the entire device. So what we can do next is we can restart our device. So we want to click the power button and the volume up button. Now click restart, and now the device will restart by itself. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. So now after the restart, we need to draw our pattern if we have one, or enter any password. Now the phone has to turn on, and after it turns on fully, like everything's initialized, everything's working, what we can do as a last resort, we can reset the phone. So go over to settings. Now here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the system, and here we need to click on the reset options. I'm not talking about resetting all data, it's not important. We need to reset the network settings, so they are right up top here, the mobile network settings, and here let's click reset settings. Now enter our pattern, and everything should be good. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.